Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the screen recorder feature in InVideo. Whether you want to record tutorials, presentation, or gameplay, the InVideo makes it easy. So let's get started. Go to the InVideo online screen recorder website on your browser and log into your account. If you're new, sign up for free access to the screen recording feature. Click Create New Video and choose a blank project or template, and this will open the editor where you can add and edit your recordings. Click on the Upload Media option in the left panel and select the screen record or camera from the drop-down menu. Then, choose whether you want to screen record only, screen and camera, or camera only based on your needs. Then click Start Recording and a pop-up will appear asking you to choose what to record. It's either your entire screen, your window, or browser tab. Select the preferred option and click Share to begin recording. Once you're done, click Stop Sharing to end the recording. Then the video will automatically be added to your media library. Drag and drop into timeline for editing in order to trim, crop, add text, or apply effects. And after editing, click Export and choose the desired resolution and download your recorded video. And that's it. With the InVideo screen recorder, you can easily capture and edit your screen recordings in one place. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.